Perky Field in Pittsburgh was frequently unplayable to wet field conditions. EV True Value assisted the staff of Bethel Park School District on the design and installation of HydroBlox. Equipment and HydroBlox arrived on site and the work began. Because of the simplicity of installation and the minimal disturbance of the turf, the project was completed in 2 days, and the field was playable immediately.